Vitamin water the best. Vitamin water!
So as you guys saw, that was 50 Cent, aka Curtis Jackson, busting his ass. Hey guys, what's going on? So, I know you're probably thinking, why did I show that video of 50 Cent busting his ass on a roof during the middle of during his middle of a vitamin water commercial? Well, because number one is because I'm an asshole. But number two, not only he took a L during that commercial, but he also took a L in his headphones that he made. SMS Audios by 50 Cent. These versions I have right here are the Sports Wireless Edition. And of course he had other few pairs, but right now we're going to speak about these right now. These, I got them off of eBay for, how much did I get them off of? I think $50, $56, $54. Not half bad. Sealed, factory sealed, brand new. The box did have some kind of dents in it. I guess the seller probably had it like left around for a long time. Yeah, so why I say he took L1, because these are discontinued. That's why I happened to find these off of eBay. And let's be for reals, when Beats by Dr. Dre was blowing up years back, it was huge. I remember going to school, and whenever I looked up on Facebook, somebody was getting robbed, someone was getting jumped for their Beats by Dr. Dre's. Crazy times, crazy times. And of course, Mr. 50 Cent decides to make his own. So SMS Audio, that was the line right here. SMS Audio. Obviously, it didn't do so hot because they're discontinued. Now, let's be for reals. When you're going ahead and you're trying to compete with Beats, let's be for reals. No other rapper with their headphones was beating Beats at the time. Now, different situation. But at that time, nobody was competing with Beats. And not only that too, another L with these, they sound like shit. Complete shit. These retail at the time, I believe, at least over $200, and this is a sports edition, so this was expensive at the time. I think his Streets by 50 could have been a little bit less. I don't know, but these retailed for $200. And for $200, they sound like garbage. Now, before I go on ahead and I get into my little rant and my review or whatever, let's get into this unboxing. Now, to let you know about the unboxing, okay? The headphones, I've been using these like crazy, because these, as much as these do sound like shit, I really do like them for the gym. I think these are another good pair of good gym headphones. That's coming with the Skull Candy Crushers and the JBL Under Armours, and I think these are really good too. So if you can get these for the gym and pick these up on eBay, I recommend them. So they are a bit damaged, as you can tell. I've been using these like crazy. So, you know, the unboxing, when I start revealing the headphones, may not be as attractive, but just bear with me, guys. Now there it is, guys. A pretty simple unboxing, really nice presentation, a really nice box. Came with a towel. The case is really nice too. It comes with all the accessories too as well. The case too is really nice, high quality case, carabiner clip. It's really nice. But obviously that wasn't enough to, you know, save these headphones. Now let me go on ahead and get to the things that I do not like and get to my little rant really quick. There's only two things I actually don't like about these, but these are my two major flaws which I don't like. For one, the cushions, as you can tell, they're completely messed up, and they literally messed up like in the first week, which blows. And on top two, I guess you can tell. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can tell. You see, these got damaged too quickly. I don't understand why. Number two is they sound like garbage, as I emphasized earlier. They sound like trash. And there's a weird thing with the volume. So whenever I'm at let's say 99% and I'm about to hit the other notch to 100. At 99, it's low, and then for some reason, I don't understand, but when you go up to 100, it like jumps up, but like, I can't explain it, but it just sounds completely fake, and it starts getting, having a little bit of a distortion when it starts hitting at 100%, which is really weird, which I don't like. But then again, look, there's a couple things that these two things that I don't like, I did manage to go ahead and just not worry about it, because look, these are great gym headphones. They're great. Definitely have a good rugged design. Clicky buttons, you know, you can drop these on the floor like the JBL Under Armours, and you will feel secure that these actually won't break. I definitely like the way the cup design is. I don't know if you can tell, it's an oval shape like other headphones. They always circle, and they put, you lean like right on here. These have an oval design, so basically your whole ear will go right in here. So that way it just feels comfortable, and you can have these on your ears without having ear fatigue after like what, an hour or so. I really do wish these had better sound quality, because at retail price for these, for people who bought these when this came out and when it was hot, I don't know if it was that hot, but I guess you can say it's just a little hot at the time when it came out. Certainly they don't sound $200. But for 50, 60 bucks, oh, these sound great for 50, 60 dollars. Listen, 50 Cent could have had most likely won this battle between, another pair of headphones trying to compete with Beats at the time and trying to win. He probably would have never won, but he probably could have still had these, in stock right now where you could buy them if, for a couple reasons. Obviously, when the day it launched. One, not make it $200. These definitely don't sound $200 like I said. If these were $100, 80 bucks, he would have stood a chance. Now, if he's gonna go on ahead and make it $200, he should have made it sound exactly or better than Beats. Well, not him, of course, the SMS Audio, the people who produce these, whatever. They should have made it sound a hell of a lot more better than Beats, but they don't sound as good as Beats. And three, maybe not had released these in a way of trying to do a headphone war. Maybe he should have just, if he would have released it now in amongst where there is a bunch of other headphones, that a lot of headphones are pretty popular, I think he would do well now, because look, these are fashionable. They're a bit dirty. If you see any dirt, they're a bit dirty because I use these a lot to the gym. These are pretty fashionable. These are pretty cool. You get an awesome case. The unboxing experience is pretty nice and decent. If these were released at least around 2 or 3 years ago, he probably would have done a better job. But hey, other than that, guys, these are really cool gym headphones. So if you definitely want a good pair of gym headphones, I definitely recommend these. Very cheap. Go on eBay. I'll throw in some links if I find the seller that I bought it off of, or other ones. I'll put them cheap, 50, 60 bucks. If I could find the links, I got you, okay? Cheap now, brand new, even if it's used, it's still probably good. Remember, guys, as I did with my Beats video, don't be afraid to go on ahead and get them used. Don't be, afraid to get them at an auction or whatever, or a best offer or whatever. Don't be afraid, because look, if you didn't get them at the time when it was released in, I think, 2012 or whatever, or 2014, definitely try to get them now. Other than that, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by subscribing if you like, if you even care, by liking the video if you like and even care, and commenting down below if you like or even care. Now, with commenting, you can comment down below and I will always answer to all the comments that I always get. So, ladies and gentlemen, please take care and be safe.